If you think you know WhatsApp, think again. In today's video, I share 10 WhatsApp tips and tricks that will make your chatting experience faster, safer, and more enjoyable. Let's dive in. The first one is no one can add you to a WhatsApp group without your permission. Now I'm going to show you how to set this. Click on these three dots as shown on your screen. It will open up to this. Click on settings. When you click on settings, click on privacy. Now you are going to see a place where they wrote groups, so you are going to click on it. As you can see, it's defaultly set to everyone who can add me to groups, but you are going to select my contact except. So when you click on it, it's going to bring out a full load of your contacts. Now you can select any contact you particularly want to add it to a group. If you want all to be selected, like you don't want anyone at all to add it to a group, you click on this button up here and it will select all your contacts. Then you check it down here and it will be set. So once it's set, no one can add you to a WhatsApp group without your permission. The only thing they can do is to send you an invite link. How about that? The second one is advanced search. Now, WhatsApp has made it easy for you to search for anything. So just click on this search bar. When you click on this search bar, you are going to have a lot of things. No matter who sent it, you can access it as once. So when you click on this, you can click on unread messages and see all your unread messages all at once. You can click on photos and see all your photos at once. If you want to see maybe the name of the person who sent the picture, you can just click on this icon and it will appear beside the picture. Now you can search for videos from any of your contacts. This is just like a general list for all your chats. You can search for links, you can search for anything without specifically going to the contact. That's how advanced the search is. Number 3, star important messages. No matter the year, no matter who sent it, just star the messages and you can access it without going directly to the chat. Now, what you do, click on the message, just tap on this star icon as shown on the screen. This star icon, once you do it, you can see the glittering star. It will show that you have starred it. Now, go out of the chat, then click on these 3 dots, then you see starred. So once you see starred, it will show you all your starred messages, no matter the year and the person that sent it. It's just like your archive for important messages. You can see the date. Some of it is even from 2025 and all. So that is how good this is. We have talked about 3 important tips so far. Which is your favorite? So the next one is stop automatic media downloads. Now, if you don't want any picture, video to download into your phone, click on the 3 dots, click on settings. Now you are going to go to storage and data. So it's going to show you how things are downloaded. So you go to media auto download. So when you are using mobile data, you have to choose which media do you want to download into your phone. Me, I'm going to select or click on OK. I don't want any picture, any video, even when I'm connected to Wi-Fi. So a lot of people complain their storage is full because of this WhatsApp download. Even when you are roaming, that's when you are outside your country, you don't want anything to be downloading automatically unless you choose that setting. So no authorized media will visit you after this. Number 5, enter is set to default send. Now a lot of people, when they type their message, instead of their keyboard looking like this, is looking like this other one. So you are going to edit that so that anything you type, you can be able to edit it. Click on settings, click on the 3 dots, go to chat. So when you go to chat, you will see this enter is send key. So just turn it off. Once you turn it off, you go back to your chat, as if you want to type something. You will see that enter will no longer be the send key. Instead, you have this other key change so that the send key will be this one. Anything you type, you can edit it. Hope it's cool. 6th one is advanced chat privacy. Now this means that when you turn on advanced chat on any chat, that person cannot export the chat and other settings. So how is it set? Just open a chat, click on these 3 dots, or just tap on the chat. Now as you tap on the chat, you see advanced chat privacy. Just click on it and turn it off. So when you turn it on, like when you turn it on, that person cannot export your chat or ask Meta AI question in that chat or any other thing. So if you turn it on, you receive this notification. Let's go to the next one, which is 7, chat log. Now, if you have important chat that you want to lock, like you need key or password to access, then this video or this session is for you, for your very important chats. So there are two ways to do it. Number one is just on, if you open your WhatsApp, select the contact that you want to lock the chat. Click on these three dots and click on lock chat and click on continue. Or you just open the chat, tap on the person's icon, like the place where the name is saved. You will still see chat lock. Just turn it on. Once you turn it on, WhatsApp will ask you to continue, tell you the implication of what you want to do. You want to keep it locked and hidden. Then you will see this place where you put your password. Once you do that, you say the chat is locked. You can only find it in chat locked. So number 8, view one's privacy. Now, if you want to send someone a picture and you want it to be secure, just click on this picture icon, select the image you want to set and click on this one icon that is shown. I hope you can see it. So what this means is that the person will be only able to view it once. The person cannot save the image, he cannot send it to someone, he cannot screenshot this image. So I don't know the kind of message you want to send, but if you really want a very private message, you can use view once you send it. This is how it looks like for the for your own end and the person's end. So once the person opens it, like me now, I'm opening it with another WhatsApp, and you can see it will still tell me that I will only be able to view this message once. Once I click on OK, I will view the message. Now the message will not show on this screen because I'm screen recording. WhatsApp is very private. When you are putting password and when you are screen recording important things, they will not show you. So what will happen is that I've opened it and it will show open, nothing more. That is how it works. So the next one, which is the number 9, delete for everyone or delete for me. There are two ways to delete things on WhatsApp. Maybe you mistakenly sent a message to someone. So what you do is select that message you have sent, click on the delete button up. It's shown up, so I'm just highlighting it so that you can see it very well. Now 3 options will come out. Delete for everyone, meaning you delete for yourself, and delete for the person that received it. Delete for me means deleting only for yourself, or you cancel the process. So but when you click on delete for everyone, that means you and the person that received the message will no longer have access to the message. So the next one, which is the 10th one, typographical errors are real, but WhatsApp edit is realer. That means that when you send someone a message in a hurry, autocorrect does its job by messing up your English. You have 15 minutes threshold to correct any error in that message. So what can you do? Select the message that you want to correct within the 15-minute range. Click on the 3 dots highlighted. Click on edit. Now when you click on edit, you can be able to edit the message. So when you edit the message, you must check this this green button. If you don't check it, the message will not be updated. So but when you check it, the message will be updated, the corrections will be made, and it will be changed to edited. So any message that was edited, you can always see that it has been edited. So this is the end of this video. Which tip surprised you the most? Just comment the tip. Do you want me to make this kind of video again? Don't forget to like, hit the subscribe button, and follow me for more. I enjoyed making this video, and I want to thank you for watching till this moment.